Today, we're diving into the Garmin Fenix E, a watch that promises to bring the core Garmin experience to outdoor enthusiasts, without the premium price tag of its bigger siblings. The Fenix E claims to deliver everything you need for your adventures, whether you're running, hiking, or just exploring the great outdoors. With a bright AMOLED display, top-notch activity tracking, and solid battery life, it seems like a great option for anyone who doesn't need all the extras. So let's dive into detailed review of these features and see whether this matches your style and needs. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Starting off with the price. The Garmin Fenix E is positioned as the more affordable option in the Fenix lineup, retailing at $799. This price point makes it accessible to those who want a high-quality outdoor watch without stretching their budget too far. The Fenix E comes in a single 47mm case size, which simplifies the decision-making process, especially if you're not looking for multiple size options. With its AMOLED display, you're treated to vibrant colors and sharp visuals that enhance the user experience. On the other hand, the Fenix 8 starts at $999 for the smallest size, offering more variety with options for an AMOLED or solar charging display and a larger 51mm case size. The higher price of the Fenix 8 reflects these additional choices, but if you're content with the 47mm size and an AMOLED screen, the Fenix E offers great value without sacrificing too much. Moving on to the design. The Fenix E sports a 47mm polymer case combined with a stainless steel bezel, giving it a sleek yet rugged appearance. The 1.3-inch AMOLED touchscreen with a resolution of 416 by 416 pixels ensures that the display is not only clear, but also visually pleasing. Despite its robust build, the watch remains lightweight at just 76 grams, making it comfortable for all-day wear. The use of Gorilla Glass provides a good level of scratch resistance, making it a durable companion for your outdoor adventures. In comparison, the Fenix 8 steps up the game with options like a titanium bezel and sapphire crystal display protection, making it even more durable. It also features a slightly larger 1.4-inch display with a higher resolution of 454 by 454 pixels. Additionally, the Fenix 8 is built for more extreme conditions, with features like leak-proof buttons and suitability for recreational diving up to 40 meters. If you don't require such extreme durability, the Fenix E's design is more than adequate for most outdoor activities. Battery life is always a crucial factor for outdoor watches, and the Fenix E delivers solid performance in this area. It offers up to 16 days in smartwatch mode when using the Raise to Wake feature, and 6 days with the always-on display. In GPS mode with all satellite systems activated, the Fenix E provides up to 32 hours, or 24 hours with the screen on continuously. For extended adventures, you can switch to Garmin's Expedition mode, which gives you up to 14 days of tracking. But when it compared to the Fenix 8, the Fenix E's battery life is a bit less impressive. The Fenix 8 can significantly extend battery life, especially with its solar charging 51mm model, offering up to 48 days in smartwatch mode and around 60 hours in top GPS accuracy mode. If battery longevity is a top priority for you, especially for long expeditions, the Fenix 8 has the edge. But for most users, the Fenix E's battery life will be more than sufficient for regular use. When it comes to activity and health tracking, the Fenix E is well equipped to handle a variety of outdoor activities, from running and swimming to cycling and hiking. It offers all the essential sports profiles and includes features like topographical maps, although you'll need to download them manually. The Fenix E uses Garmin's Elevate Gen 4 sensor for heart rate and stress monitoring, ensuring you get accurate and reliable health data throughout the day. On the other hand, the Fenix 8 goes a step further with support for recreational diving, Garmin's latest multiband mode, and SATiQ technology, which provides superior positioning accuracy, especially in challenging environments. The Fenix 8 also features the newer Elevate Gen 5 sensor, which could offer more precise health metrics. If you're after the most advanced tracking and health monitoring features, the Fenix 8 is the way to go. But if you need reliable tracking for a wide range of activities, the Fenix E does an excellent job without the added complexity. On the smart features front, The Fenix E runs on the same operating system as the Fenix 8, ensuring that you get all the latest software and features Garmin has to offer. It supports both Android and iPhone connectivity, with options for Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. You can access the Garmin Connect IQ store to download apps, watch faces, and more. The Fenix E also comes equipped with essential smartwatch features like notifications, contactless payments, and offline music storage, although it has 16 gigabytes of storage compared to the 32 gigabytes available on the Fenix 8. One area where the Fenix E lags behind is in its lack of a microphone and speaker, which are present on the Fenix 8. This means you won't be able to take calls, interact with your phone's smart assistant, or use Garmin's voice command features. If these smart features are crucial to your daily routine, the Fenix 8 might be the better choice. But if you can live without these extras, the Fenix E still provides a solid and streamlined experience. As for my conclusion, the Garmin Fenix E emerges as a strong contender for those who want a Fenix watch without the premium price tag of the Fenix 8. It offers a solid set of features, including a vibrant AMOLED display, essential activity tracking, and reliable battery life. The design is durable enough for most outdoor adventures, and the smartwatch features cover the basics effectively. But if you're comparing it to the Fenix 8, there are some trade-offs to consider. The Fenix 8 provides more advanced features like a larger, higher resolution display, enhanced durability, and additional smart capabilities, such as voice commands and superior battery life. If these extras are crucial to your outdoor adventures, the Fenix 8 is definitely worth the investment. But if you're looking for a high-quality outdoor watch that covers all the essentials at a more accessible price, the Fenix E is an excellent choice that won't disappoint.